Filling the Kalos Probiotic Misting Wand. Begin by unlocking the rear latch and open the door. Remove the plug to the filler hole. Prepare a fresh ampoule by shaking it first. Then remove the cap by twisting until it separates. By flipping the cap, it can be reattached for future use. Avoid overfilling the tank. And save your extra probiotic solution in a cool, dark place. Replace the fill hole plug and lock the door. Slide the front down to actuate. Now you can continue reaping the benefits of external probiotics.